Dad. Can I ask you something?
Depends. What is it?
Almost everyone in my class has a phone now. Even my friend Tyler has one.
And?
I think I'm old enough for one too.
Absolutely not.
What? Are you serious, Dad? Maybe we should at least discuss it calmly.
There's nothing to discuss.
Dad, I'm 11, not 5.
And 11-year-olds don't need smartphones.
That's so unfair! Uh-oh. This is getting bad.
Watch your tone.
You never listen to me. Charlotte, calm down. No. Everyone else gets freedom except me.
A phone is not freedom.
Then why does everyone else get one?
Because I'm not everyone else's father.
That's not fair. Charlotte, yelling won't help.
Neither does Dad saying no to everything.
Maybe she just wants to text her friends.
James, stay out of this. See?
Nobody understands me.
I understand more than you think.
Then why won't you trust me?
This isn't about trust.
It feels like it is. Your dad is trying to protect you. From what? Talking to my classmates?
From things online you're not ready for yet.
That's such an old-fashioned excuse.
Excuse me? What did you just say?
Charlotte, do not speak to your father that way. Everyone thinks I'm weird because I don't have a phone.
A phone won't magically fix that.
You don't get it.
Then explain it to me calmly.
I can't when you already decided everything. This is getting intense. Very intense and stressful indeed.
My friends make plans in group chats.
You can still talk to them at school.
That's not the same anymore.
According to who?
According to everyone.
I don't parent based on pressure from other kids.
You just want control over me.
Absolutely not. You are wrong.
Both of you need to slow down. Mom, please tell him he's wrong. I think both of you have valid points.
That means you agree with him.
I'm trying to keep you safe, Charlotte.
By treating me like a baby?
No, by being your father.
Well, right now, you're ruining my life.
Ruining your life? That's dramatic.
Because you never listen to me. Charlotte, calm down before saying things you regret. I already regret asking.
Maybe there's another solution.
The answer is still no.
See? You won't even think about it!
Because I know how dangerous phones can be.
You think I'm irresponsible?
I think you're still growing up.
That's just another way of saying I'm a baby.
That's not what he means, honey.
Do you know how many kids get bullied online?
That wouldn't happen to me.
Nobody thinks it'll happen to them.
You always assume the worst. Your dad has seen a lot more than you have. Then maybe he should trust how he raised me.
Trust doesn't mean unlimited access to the internet.
All my friends have phones.
And some parents regret giving them too early.
You don't even know my friends' parents.
I kinda want a phone too someday.
Not helping, James.
She's not just being dramatic, James. The world is different now.
I know. But it's a dangerous world. I just don't want her to see the things I've seen. I want to keep her a kid.
What if we don't give her a smartphone? Just something for texting?
A basic phone? No internet? Okay, let's talk to her. But with very clear rules.
Of course. Clear rules.
Charlotte? Can I come in?
I'm sorry for shouting. I was worried about you.
I know, but
What if we start with a basic phone? No internet, just for texting your friends.
Really? Just for texting?
Thank you, Dad. I'm sorry too.
I love you, honey.
Does this mean no more shouting? Yes, James. No more shouting.
Here it is. Remember the rules.
I will. I promise. It's perfect. Thank you so much. Can I see? Can I see?
To family and new beginnings.
To family.
She's really mad.
That could have gone better.
I know, but I'm trying to protect her.
She looked really hurt.
I know. I didn't want that either.
Maybe you came down too hard at first.
Maybe she pushed too hard too.
Nobody understands anything.
Charlotte, can I come in?
Dad's downstairs looking stressed too.
Fine.
Good. Maybe now he knows how I feel.
I don't think he wants to hurt you.
Then why does he make me feel different from everyone else?
Because he worries a lot.
Everyone keeps saying that. Because it's true, I guess. I guess.
I'm sorry for yelling earlier.
I'm sorry too. Kind of.
Kind of?
I still think you're unfair.
And I still think you're not ready for a smartphone yet.
Then nothing changed.
Maybe something did.
Your dad and I talked.
We're willing to consider a basic phone first.
Wait, really?
Calls and texts only. No social media apps.
That's still better than nothing.
Ooh, compromise.
So you trust me a little?
I trust you. I just don't trust the internet.
I still think you're overprotective.
Probably true.
And DHAT is how families solve problems without giving up on each other.
Finally, can we eat pizza now?